I just wasted like about half an hour, trying to send video to YouTube, but it never happened. Rumor high, I'm outside now, as you can tell. Hopefully, if you can't tell, then hell. Yeah. Prize of the day. This is the prize of the day. I'm giving you a gift for free. I don't mind giving. If I've got it, I would give it. I'm a giving person. I don't know why people don't give it when they got it. That's just how the world is. It's rotten. But this is my gift from me to you. Don't go and see the new Batman film, The Dark Horizon or Dark Rising, whatever, because ain't nothing rising in that part of the world. Let me tell you that now. That film there is whack, 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 man. That film was so whack. People was falling asleep. My brethren fell asleep in there. I was nearly falling asleep in there. It was terrible, man. Terrible, terrible, terrible. 3 hours it was there. It was like an advert for 3 hours. I didn't get it. I didn't understand none of it. I didn't get the plot. I didn't understand the story. I didn't get the story. You couldn't. If you could focus on that movie for 3 hours and get the story, then please get at me. You're worth a lot of money. So that's all the gift for today.